Welcome to Banana Accounting, a professional accounting solution similar to Excel. If you get it wrong, you can always correct. It's easy to have your accounting under control. Quickly obtain balance sheet, income statement, budget and liquidity plan. And income and expense accounting. It's the easiest and most intuitive method to use, which also provides complete and professional results. Create your accounting. Click on the Create New icon and choose the template that best suits your needs. Set the file properties. Change the header, the opening and closing date, and the basic currency. Transactions table. Enter your accounting transactions. You can change them at any time. Enter the date, the description, the incoming or outgoing amount, the account, and the category to which the income or expense is attributed. Repeat this operation for all movements. To speed up these operations, you can directly import bank transactions. And by linking them to the digital receipts, you don't need to print them on paper. Budget table. Enter the estimated income and expenses for the indicated year. The procedure is immediate and very similar to the transaction table. Start by listing your monthly expenses. For example, the office rent and your employees' salaries. Apply the same procedure for the monthly revenues. For example, selling a service to your customers. Accounts table. In the accounts and in the categories tables, the balances are automatically updated. Therefore, you can immediately make a comparison of your accounting data with your budget. This table shows the balance sheet accounts. You can adapt the accounts according to your needs. You can add accounts, edit or delete them. And you can enter the initial balance in the opening column. Categories table. This table shows the revenue and expenses accounts. Again, you can add categories, edit or delete them. Reports. All reports are just a click away. You can view the liquidity plan. And you can review your balance sheet and compare your past, present and future data of your accounting at any time. You can create your report by selecting from the Reports menu, Enhanced Balance Sheet with Groups, Comparison Effective and Budget. To have a better overview of your cash flow and to make sure you have enough liquidity to pay your salaries at the end of the month, you can create a report with a monthly subdivision. Or you can view the charts of your bank account. By following this step, you can control if the actual business is in line with your budget plan. Get started now. Free up to 70 transactions. Choose later the annual subscription that best suits your needs.